This is a video demonstrating how to replace a gear in the Flowmeter. It is important to remember chemical safety when replacing a Flowmeter gear. Employees should always wear protective equipment when dealing with chemicals, and remove all pressure and power from the system before performing any maintenance. Press the CLR and ENT keys to flush thoroughly. To disassemble the Flowmeter, press the emergency stop button. Open the Flowmeter by removing the 4 bolts and blue cover. It is important to note that the bolts have to be removed carefully, loosening bolts only partially then loosening them all the way. It is recommended to loosen the top right bolt and bottom left bolt partially, then loosen the top left bolt and the bottom right bolt partially, then fully loosen all bolts. Remove the gears and check for wear. It is recommended that you take one gear off and spin the other. The gear should spin freely but not wobble. If the gear does wobble, then replace the gear. Make sure this is done with both gears before you continue. Reinstall the gears. Make sure the magnets on the counter gear are facing out and the gears turn properly. Reinstall the cover. Rotate the emergency stop button. And flush the manifold thoroughly. Note, reinstall the cover the same way you took it off, using a nut driver and making sure it's hand tight, about 10 inch pound.